To use MySQL 8.0 command line client, first you have to give the password. In this case I'm using 12345, the password, press enter, and you have to see the databases. So I'm typing show databases semicolon. So you can see the list of databases over here. So if you want to use any kind of database from here, then you can certainly use the command use database name. So I am going to use today, that is the name of the database, and you can see database changed. And after that you can create a new table inside this particular database. So what we are going to do over here is create a new database. Alright, so how to create a new database we are going to see in this video, so stick around till the end. So I'm going to type create database, and the name of the database will be YouTube. Enter. So the database has been created. So I'm going to use YouTube, this database, and the database has been changed. So after that we have to create a new table inside this particular database. So I am going to type create table, and the name of the table will be, for example, data. And after that we have to give the column headings. So first I will be giving, let's say, ID, and then we have to determine the data type. So I am using integer, comma. Next I will be typing the next column heading, that is name, and it will be varchar, and let's say 20. The capacity of varchar will be 20, that's more than enough, comma, and let's say another one will be, say, address, and this will be again varchar address. A should be in capital, so let's give address varchar, let's give 20 is the value, and let's terminate this and let's press enter. So it's giving me some errors over here. Let's check for the errors. Okay, so let's try to give another one over here. Let's say create table data, let's open the bracket, and let's give ID, let's give integer for that, the data type, and let's give name, let's give varchar, say 20, comma, let's give address, this is also going to be varchar, it's going to be 20, the value, capacity 20. Okay, next line, bracket close, semicolon. Okay, so now the table has been created. So let's see how we can check the table out. So DESC space, you have to give the database name. So let me check. YouTube is the name of the database, so YouTube dot, you have to give the table name. So in this case it is data, semicolon, and you can see the database has been created with the field and its type, and the null values are all yes with no primary key, and all default and null. Okay, no extras as well, 3 rows in this particular database. So now let's create let's fill this database with some datas. So for that we need to type insert into the name of the table, that is data, enter values, enter bracket, single quotation, so ID will be 1002, comma, again quotation, name, let's say any name, let's say creator, close, comma, open again quotation, so the address will be 256, say, 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 256 California, quotation close and bracket close. Let's give another comma. Let's go to our second value, say 1003. Let's quotation close, comma. Again, let's give another quotation. Let's say data science, quotation close, comma. Let's give the address as 259 California, quotation close, bracket close, semicolon, enter. So no duplicate records, only 2 records in this particular table. And how you can check the table out, let's see. So select all from, so the name of the table is data, semi, enter. So you can see that 2 rows in set 0.1 seconds, and you can see the ID, the name, the addresses here as well. So this is how you can create a database check for database, and also you can create a new table inside a particular database if you are using MySQL. So see you all again next time in another tutorial video. Till then, subscribe to the channel if you are interested in computer tutorial videos and also computer education and also tips and tricks on computer science and computer application. Till then, goodbye and take care.